In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create this kind of online avatars that allow you to speak over to a microphone and they look like Pixar animated 3D characters. And what we're going to do is we're going to use AI to generate this image, generate the script and the voice. So let's get started. The first thing we will need is ChatGPT. First, we're going to ask it to generate a 30-second script. Of course, you could use your own transcript or whatever you want. It's all up to you. Let's type generate a 10-second script for a iNews video. Talk about the release of O3 Pro by OpenAI. So what we're going to do is we're going to generate a 10-second script for an AI news video. And we're going to talk about O3 Pro by OpenAI. So we take this script and we go to 11 Labs. The link for 11 Labs will be down below in the description and for all of the tools that we will be using today. In any case, if you want to learn more about AI, make sure to check my AI course. You only pay once and you get all of the updates for the next year or so completely for free. You can find it on the link in the description and it's hosted right now on Udemy. It's super cheap and it gets you up to speed with all of the AI tools, AI automations for code, image, videos, audio and more. So we go to 11 Labs. You can use this for free with limitations every single month. In any case, what I have seen is that you can actually clone your own voice, but you will have to get a starter plan subscription or a creator plan for more professional voice cloning. But if you want to create videos that are consistent with your own voice, I would highly suggest that you test this out. It works perfectly. So what I'm going to do is go to text to speech and I'm going to type this script here. I have selected this voice and we have loads of options. You can use the 11 Labs V3 Alpha model, which is absolutely amazing and it's, a big step up in terms of quality. I would highly suggest that you give it a check. Maybe you will like it. I actually believe you will love it. And it's very cheap right now, or you could go with any other model according to what you need. You can click this enhance button, which is going to improve the audio style. So click enhance. And here we can see exactly the changes that the model has done. It adds these tags, which changes the way the speaker is speaking. So let's generate this speech. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is give a check to the result.
I just dropped O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient. O3 Pro. OpenAI just dropped O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup.
So we have two options. We can select which generation we like more. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to save this in the downloads. Boom. We saved it. We get 18 seconds of audio, of very high quality audio. So this is super interesting. So yeah, let's move forward. We don't need 11 Labs anymore. What we need to do is go back to ChatGPT and add a photograph. What I'm going to do is ask OpenAI to generate an AI animated avatar for my image. You want to put your image and you want to write a very specific prompt. Okay, so this is the actual prompt I'm going to use. You can, generate whatever prompt you want. I will give you this prompt down below in the description. You will find a link that is called Gumroad and you can download this prompt completely for free. So you don't have to write it. You are going to just download a TXT file and you are going to get this completely for free. No strings attached. So it's actually generating our image. Because a lot of people are generating images right now, we will have to wait. So as we progress, the final tool that we will need is Hydra. So on Hydra, we can generate videos using an audio and an image. So here we want to place our 11 Labs audio. So this is the audio. You can remove background noise, change voice or whatever. And here we can also add an image. And here we can select Hydra character 3. This is what we want to use. We can select the aspect ratio. So I'm going to go with wide because this is going to be used in a split screen and the duration is automatic. So you don't have to add any prompt here. You just have to get the image that is created from ChatGPT and place it here on the start frame. And everything else is going to be done automatically by Hydra. I'm using this low resolution setting because I don't want to eat up my credits, and Hydra you can use completely for free with a specific limit, so that's also super nice. So this is the response from OpenAI, and what we can do is like remove this actual thing, remove this. So we can actually remove this part from the image. I don't know why it has like that label, super strange in all honesty. But yeah, just for the showcase of this video, I'm just going to download the image and we're going to place it into Hydra. So we upload the image to Hydra. You can see it here and boom, we will be generating the audio. So we're going to be waiting for a couple of minutes because we're in the free queue. So we're going to have to wait it out. But it's totally fine. You click the continue button and the generation is beginning. Now, I would highly suggest that you buy these tools if you're really interested in more generations. Hydra is super powerful and I only expect it to become better and better. 11 Labs is literally a state-of-the-art platform that is so much better than anything else out there. And of course, ChatGPT. Well, we all know what OpenAI is doing with ChatGPT. They're absolutely amazing. So we're going to skip to the actual, finish to see the actual, generation, what the result will be. Okay, so let's see the actual video response.
OpenAI just dropped O3 Pro, the latest powerhouse in its model lineup. Faster, smarter, and more efficient, O3 Pro brings top-tier performance to developers and businesses at a fraction of the cost. Stay tuned for what's next. OpenAI just...
Okay, so this is not bad at all. I've got to say that, in all honesty, this label that I had from the generation is a little bit misleading for the model. But as we've seen, it looks kind of nice.
Just dropped O3.
So if you are a bit zoomed out, you could literally see that this character looks kind of good. I really don't know if they have reduced the quality of the generation lately, but still this is a very easy way to generate this character. I don't know if we could actually do some kind of changes. Potentially we could, say over here, make sure to reduce gestures and movement, which would allow us potentially to get a more stable generation. But you can play around with these things and see how you like the response and how it feels for you. So yeah, I really don't think that we should waste any time right now. But yeah, this is how you can generate 3D Pixar characters. Thank you. Okay, so let's see the actual video response.